Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, How to Be a Realtor. Well, how to be successful. Put out a lot of great content here, talking about some good coaching and mentoring tips. Today's video is going to be about building a relationship online. So how do you build a relationship? Right? And how do you do it online? It's so impersonal. Well, video is a great way to do it. Also, social proof. So you want to put yourself out there and be honest. Just be yourself. You don't have to have a fancy camera system. You can just use your phone. Just make sure you turn the phone the right way when you make the video. In fact, even if you didn't turn the phone the right way, that would work too. Building a relationship online is just like anything else. Be yourself and be consistent. If you're putting out consistent content and you're acting like you're yourself, you will build a relationship. People will get used to you. They may not like you, but they'll get used to you, and then they'll end up liking you. Or they're not going to watch you anymore, and did you really want to deal with those people anyway? Someone that doesn't like you. So it is easy. I should say it's simple, but not easy to build a relationship because it's work and it's consistent effort. But you can build relationships online using social media, using video, using posts, using your brain. So do take the time to be consistent and take the time to be personal. Hope you found this useful. It's Gregory Martire, local real estate mentor and coach. Happy to help you in any way that I can. Hit subscribe. Hit me up a comment there. I'll be delighted to. We do answer all communication. If you work nights and weekends, happy to help. Have a great day.